Arendelle History 101?
No, I went to mime school.
Oh.
I can't talk about it.
Okay. Well, it was time for Elsa to become Queen of Arendelle.
Wait, what about her snowy powers, right, the magic?
Exactly. She was so afraid that her powers would show, and she'd be cast out of the kingdom for forever.
But all the while, her sister Anna was dreaming of the possibilities of, wow, that is a mood.
I got it.
She was drooling of the possibilities of opening the castle gates for the first time in... You got it! Hey, here we go!
Just one. On the right-hand side for me. Thank you. How many
Es infiernos, dentro del vehículo, y revelan a sus pequeños.
My favorite place to be. I just met Chewie and BB-8. All the hugs. Chewie gives the best hugs. You know, it's pretty sad that the Little Mermaid show isn't there anymore. I heard it's coming back, so I hope so. It's one of my faves. Because who doesn't like Little Mermaid? Sing along. Good time. So I have a dilemma. I booked dinner, lunch, I guess it's considered lunch, for myself at 2:20 with a Fantasmic package. So that gives me a voucher to get in and not have to wait buttloads of time. However, I forgot it was at 2:20 and I just ate an ice cream sandwich. And I'm not really hungry, and it's a big meal because it's bigger go home here at Disney. So that's where I'm going for supper. Hollywood and Vine, which I believe is a buffet with a character buffet with Minnie. I'm not sure if anybody else is there. This is one I've never been to. So all the times I've been to Disney, I've never been here. So see, you can always find something new to do.
Hey, don't mind us. We'll be finished in just a minute. Yeah.
What's Todd still doing here? You were supposed to be at his show. Now.
I'd like to introduce our lovely manager.
Yeah, she's usually not like this.
Yeah, she's usually worse.
I heard that. Where is my limo? Good. Okay, come on, guys. Please, get in the car. Sorry, folks. We gotta go.
Make sure you know where this.
Chris, can you grab my black Les Paul?
Hey, wait a minute. We can't leave these people here like this.
We can't?
No.
Come on, you know how we feel about our fans.
Yeah, that's right.
Well, guys, what do you expect me to do? Is send them all with you?
Yeah.
Hey, Steven, how about backstage passes?
Wait a minute. I love that idea. How about some backstage passes?
Yeah. Alright, come on.
Make it happen. Give us some.
Okay, make it happen. Now get out of here. Look at all of you.
Alright, baby, wait for everybody else. We're gonna go in the back, alright? That way I can...
All additional VIPs, make sure arms are completely around behind us. Thank you.
Watch it.
Fantasmic. That's my tickets. I'm going to cry.
I can open it.